Hello, hello, and welcome to your next math lesson. If I can find my pen. Here we go. Today's math lesson is called, first of all, take out your math notebook and open to the next available page. And then at the top right, divide 3 and 4-digit dividends. That's what today's math lesson is. Divide 3 and 4-digit dividends. So, what is a dividend? It's the number that you're dividing into. So in a situation like 16 divided by 8 equals 2, 16 is the dividend. But today we're looking at much larger dividends. We're looking at division problems like this: 595 divided by 5. So here we have a much larger dividend. Now, how do we set this up as a long division problem? We put the dividend inside the house, 595. We put the divisor outside the house. Let's review our steps to long division. Remember, we remember these steps using the phrase, dirty monkeys smell crazy bad. So dirty, that stands for divide. Oops, you can't see it. Dirty, that stands for divide. Monkeys, that stands for multiply. Dirty monkeys smell is subtract. Dirty monkeys smell crazy is compare. Divide, multiply, subtract, compare. Dirty monkeys smell crazy bad is bring down. And then we go back up to divide, and we cycle through these steps as many times as we can until there's nothing left to bring down, and then we write our remainder, which is the last step, if there is a remainder. So let's apply these steps to this problem. First step is divide. We divide the divisor into the first part of the dividend. We can fit 5 into 5 one time. That's the first step, divide. Then we multiply. 1 times 5 equals 5. Then we subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now we compare. Is 0 smaller than 5? Yes, it is. That means we're doing it right. Now we bring down. We bring the 9 down next to the answer to what we just subtracted. Now we go back to divide. We divide the 5 into the 9. It can only fit in one time. We just divided, so now we multiply. 1 times 5 is 5. Now we subtract. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now we compare. Is 4 smaller than 5? We're always making sure this number is smaller than this number. Yes, it is. So we're in good shape. Now we bring down the 5 next to the 4. Now we go back to divide. 5 can fit into 45 9 times. Now we multiply. 9 times 5 is 45. Now we subtract. 45 minus 45 is 0. Okay, now we compare. Is 0 smaller than 5? Yes, it is. And the next step is bring down, but there's nothing left to bring down, and there's no remainder to write, so we're done. The answer's 119. Let's do another example together. Let's say we have 625 divided by 4. Okay. Our first step is divide. We divide the 4 into the 6. 4 can fit into 6 only one time. Now we multiply. 1 times 4 is 4. Now we subtract. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Now we compare. Is 2 smaller than 4? Yes. That means we're in good shape. Now we bring down. We bring down the 2 next to the other 2. Now we go back to divide. 4, how many times can 4 fit into 22? It can fit in 5 times because 4 times 5 is 20, which gets us closest to 22 without going over. Okay, so we just divided. Now we multiply. 5 times 4 is 20. Now we subtract. 22 minus 20 is 2. Now we compare. Is 2 smaller than 4? Yes. So we bring down. Now we go back to divide. Can 4 fit into 25? Yes. How many times? 6 times, because 6 times 4 is 24, which gets us closest to 25 without going over. Okay? Okay, 4 can fit into 25 6 times. Now we multiply. 6 times 4 is 24. Now we subtract. 25 minus 24 is 1. Now we compare. Is 1 smaller than 4? Yes. Now we bring down, but there's nothing left to bring down, so that means we're finished. We just have to write our remainder. If there's a remainder there, you just write remainder and then whatever number is left down here. So the answer is 156, remainder 1. Let's do another example together. Okay, let's say we had 6,418 divided by 3. This time we have a 4-digit dividend, still divided by a 1-digit divisor. First step, divide. We divide 3 into 6. 3 can fit into 6 2 times. Now we multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. Now we subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now we compare. Is 0 smaller than 3? Yes, it is. So now we bring down. Now we go back to divide. We divide 3 into 4. 3 can fit into 4 1 time. Now we multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. Compare. 1 is smaller than 3. Bring down. We go back to divide. 3 can fit into 11. We divide 3 into 11. How many times can 3 fit into 11? Well, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. Just realized you guys can't see it that well. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. So 4 times is too many. 3 can fit into 11 3 times. Now we multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. Now we subtract. 11 minus 9 is 2. Now we compare. Is 2 smaller than 3? Yes. Now we bring down. Okay, now we divide. How many times can 3 fit into 28? Well, 3 times 9 is 27, which gets us closest to 28 without going over. So 3 can fit into 28 9 times. Now we multiply. 9 times 3 is 27. Now we subtract. 28 minus 27 is 1. We compare. Is 1 smaller than 3? Yes. Now we bring down, but there's nothing left to bring down. So we're all finished. We just need to write our remainder. So the answer is 2,139, remainder 1. Okay, now get ready for your independent practice. For your independent practice, I'd like you to do these 3 problems. I want you to do 755 divided by 5. Also do 8,468 divided by 4. Do those 2 long division problems independently and then click on the next video under this one to see if you did them correctly. All right? I will catch you next time. Signing off.